Okay, so here's part 2. Still finding each interior angle of a regular polygon, and we've got a quadrilateral, which means n is equal to 4. I've got 4 sides here, so it's going to be 4 minus 2 times 180 divided by those 4 angles that I'm going to have. So it's going to be 2 times 180 times 4. You can also do a lot of this in the calculator. So we'll get each one is a 90-degree angle, which makes sense. A regular polygon, a regular quadrilateral really is a square, right? All the angles are the same, all the side lengths. So that's where the 90 comes from in this case. But all you'll be asked to do is find the interior angle. Hexagon, we need to know what number of sides are. We've got 6. So 6 minus 2 times 180 divided by the 6 angles that we're going to have. And we'll work our way down and get 120 degrees for each interior angle. Another application of the sum of our interior angles is finding x if we're just given some figure. And if I count, I've got what sided figure? How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's a 5-sided figure. N is equal to 5. The sum of our interior angles, that is n minus 2 times 180. So I need to find that, and that should be equal to actually adding up all of the angles in here. So it's 5 minus 2 times 180. And we get 540. So the sum of all these angles in here should be 540. So I'll add them all up. I got a 90, a 110, 120, 150, and x should add up to 450. And if we subtract all of those from 450, I'll get x is equal to 70 degrees. So that's my missing angle. The last two are working backwards. So you're given the sum. So the sum of the interior angles, that's this one, is equal to 1080. And what they're asking for is we need to find the number of sides. So we need to find n. And we can kind of work backwards with a little bit of algebra. 2 ways to solve this. You can divide 180 out right away. And then you're left with n minus 2 equals 6. And then n is equal to 8. Or if the instinct, which I totally understand, is for you to distribute, go ahead and distribute. And then you can go from there. So you distribute 180 to both, n and 2, and so 180n minus 360 equals 1080. 180n, we add 360 to both sides. What's nice is that both ways n will be equal to 8. So we have an 8-sided polygon. Last one. Each interior angle of a regular polygon is 150. So now they're asking interior angle. So that one, the first one we did was the sum. Now each interior angle is that sum divided by however many angles there are sides. And that is equal to 150. So again, we're finding n. What I would do is multiply both sides by n, right? Because we want to get rid of the n in the denominator. Cancel, cancel. And now we have n minus 2 times 180 equals 150n. You can distribute 180 to get rid of those parentheses, because we're back in algebra land here. 180n minus 360 equals 150n. And I want to subtract 180 from both sides. Move over here, and that'll give me negative 30n equals negative 360. So n is 12. So it's a 12-sided figure, dodecagon.